Hi everyone, my name's Sai and I'm the founder of Rock Kidz, and I'm here to tell you all about our amazing new resource, Rock Kidz Online. For the past 5 years, we've visited over 100 primary schools, delivering our high-energy assemblies, teaching children important life lessons through music. With the overwhelming success of our program, we are taking our unique high-energy approach and style online so that we can continue to have a positive impact and influence on children all over the country. Rock Kidz Online offers your school the chance to have the Rock Kidz experience in your classroom or school hall throughout the entire year. From January 2021, you will gain access to content designed to personally develop children and encourage mental strength. This will include over 50 professional videos including assemblies with key topics covered across the PSHE curriculum, Rock Kidz songs, lyrics, instrumentals, music videos and warm-ups. Alongside this, you'll get bespoke activity sheets tailored to different year groups, as well as prizes and awards. Plus, the first 100 schools to sign up will get a free school visit or interactive session from the Rock Kidz team. So visit rockkidzonline.com and sign up today, and we look forward to rocking with you soon.